Special day today, Mr. Danny Maddox, Maddox Transport. We got his right-hand man right here too. Jesse's gone up to the shop to get his special one-of-one Everest Edition truck to match this bad boy. It was a tall task for us to try to match our truck to his truck because he killed it on his custom build, and we're about to see the priceless reaction of a dream truck for our great fan right here. Let's go.
Awesome job.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Are you excited the day's finally come? What about Samson? What's he thinking?
What do you think, buddy? Get your new truck today.
That's right.
Yes, sir. Sound enough, baby.
There we go. This is special. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. Woo! Woohoo!
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, you killed it, dude.
Yeah, I'm so happy for you, man. I'm so happy. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here, dude. Yes, sir, baby. Let's go.
That's it. Let's go.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Dude, look at that. Look at that spectacle right there. Look at that.
Love it. Sammy, what you think, bro? Wow.
God, they are so close. Amazing. They're so close. God, they are.
Fender well, the moldings are awesome.
Chills, y'all. Chills. Special moment. Your baby right there. That's your baby.
Wow.
The painter.
Dude,
Austin.
Out of the park. That is awesome.
That's beautiful.
How in the hell do you think so good? God.
Yeah, baby.
That's
yeah.
badass.
Thank
Yep.
you.
It was.
Congrats.
Hey, it was his idea. He was like, Neal, what if we incorporated the upper line like that? Boom, and that's a game changer. Separator.
Awesome.
What do you think about this, Glenn? This is Mr. Danny Maddox. This is his.
Lynn Graves. Nice to meet you, Mr. Lynn.
This was a tall task because this is his baby
Matching it.
that he created. 22 by 10, negative 25. We're using the same as that 22, 11, 0.
Yep.
You got a ½ inch more wheel lip.
That's
also
beautiful. That's what I like.
It's that stance right there. Not too much, and it's still going to drive well. Have a good ride quality to it.
God, it's so awesome. I can't believe this thing turned out like this.
Yes, finally. Worth the wait, baby.
Yes,
worth,
sir.
worth the wait.
What's
worth
90
the wait.
days? Come on. What 90 days is?
Yeah.
My God, that's beautiful.
Man. We tried different things. We had this red, as you saw, and felt like it just needed to be black, so swap that out. Just an elegant, classy. If you wouldn't have ordered a limited truck, it wouldn't be on this level. So obviously, your good taste, you ordered the right truck. We got the limited grill, looking amazing. The worn winch just adds that ruggedness. Just this one alone puts out more light output than the OE fog light. So you got plenty of light. That one's street legal. That one's not. Just the rapid red up front. This billet grill is kind of like an old school tribute, you know, kind of got the horizontal lines on yours. Great idea of wanting to go to chrome bumpers. This thing came with rapid red bumpers, and it wouldn't have been the same without it, so love that. One-of-one limited, of course, but for many reasons, 38s. Feeling great, baby, 38s. The perfect thing. And it's got, the RT to me has got that retro vibe to it anyway. The sidewall's got that nice retro, and this thing looks aggressive, but it's gonna ride really good. It's gonna give you really good mileage, not be rough. Danny's got the E-Venture. He has the best hard component lift for a Super Duty. So no expense spared here, obviously just perfect. Electronic suspension, which we're going to show him here in a little bit, how it dials in to whatever conditions he's riding on. I don't know how much we're going off-road in this thing. Come on, we're going off-road at all, Danny? Probably not. We're just going to be on the highway setting, and we're going to be soaking up those imperfections in the road. On the fence about fender flare, initially debating it, talking with Danny, money setup. It's perfect. It completes it. It's going to give a little bit of protection too from this, which I like. This was all texture, y'all. You know how we do it. We got the rapid red, the limited mirror. All this was texture.
Do you want to talk about what else is in that fender, or are you gonna wait?
Rock light. We have
any of them.
Well, I just can't. Danny's got to send us a night shot. Like I'm waiting for the night shot of this rig lit up with this, and we got color change lights. So whatever light he wants to roll with, he can roll with that. We got color changing lights all the way around. That's going to be a game changer.
24.
24 of them. 24, and they're super bright. They're super bright. That's going to be really cool to see. He's got Crawley torsion sway bar with end link. So sway bar essentially just alleviates the solid live axle chatter. So you hit a pothole on the left side, it's not going to abruptly affect the right side as much. So it's kind of a little more independent articulation clearance. Radius arm from Carly, much improved. We got high mount and low mount steering stabilizer also. So that's a dual system to me, can be kind of stiff. High mount, low mount, front diff guard also. So he's got full protection all the way around. And of course, obviously, this right here is incredible. Danny gave us his paint information, stripe information for both of these colors. And then Austin, we got to show our boy Austin. Go ahead and show him right there, the master. So his idea too, we initially were going to go up with the cream to here with the gold, but got looking at the pictures, studying on it, sleeping on it, dreaming. I dreamed, my wife told me that like 3 nights I was talking about this truck, and that's how we roll. Obviously the ceramic coat has got it shining. You know I got the 12s on. You know I got the 12. I got the retro 12s today. These are back in the day for a little back in the day tribute. The cream bed step, I'm not mad at the bed step. I like it now. It's very functional. Cream to flow along with it. Tied again. Full progressive leaf pack in the rear from Carly. Ride quality the best. I mean, you drive this truck 38s and 22s. This is the best riding truck on the road. It looks amazing. FX4 Everest Edition. We were talking about leave it off, put it on. What color? To me, just leaving the back lay and then rolling with the gold right there to tie it in. Perfect. Yep. And I know Danny loves this rear. Got the bed step here too to match and flow. Austin and I was like, what? Something's off back here. This was texture black and didn't look premium. So it's like rapid red. So we painted all this didn't tell Danny, we just did it. Rapid red this whole bad boy right here. And it really encapsulates the whole rear. Applique, chrome baby. Chrome on the back. Put him a bulletproof locking pin, because somebody's gonna try to steal this bad boy. I know it. They ain't getting Danny's hits. Ain't no way. Big 6-inch tip on the side, MBRP, DPF back to match it. The stock one just didn't suffice. Pace Edwards bed cover out back too. I want you to meet now Mr. Brad Akins, hey, Mr. Danny Maddox.
Hey, Danny, Brad Akins. Mr. Akins.
Good to meet you.
A pleasure to finally meet you.
I'm telling you what,
the man and the legend. I think you just created it. Dude, I'll tell you what, y'all have
the bar high. Man.
Isn't that pretty cool, guys? Isn't that cool? Really cool.
Staff, these people. Oh, this is Samson.
I got 6 dogs.
Oh my goodness. Well, he's about to have a fit.
Morning. Yes, you do.
Wow, that's incredible.
But that is a new bar. Congratulations. Yeah, thank you. We talked briefly this morning of breaking that two-tone there.
Yes, yeah. Just got to looking at his truck more and more.
That's a game changer.
Thought it would be an added detail.
That's
just a little.
There because
absolutely.
It would have looked fine just running it up there solid, but it's just like his truck had to break, so it's. Yep. And Danny just like whatever y'all think, boys. Whatever you.
I just ordered a brand new step deck to pull this truck to the truck show.
There you go.
So there's another $83,000 yesterday.
Oh man.
Just Ford emblem and match the truck. Oh wow. See how that's matching? I noticed it in the back. Yeah, we did in the back, and we take that to match, put in the bumper wing.
So you heard the glorious sounds that Danny's bad boy produces. Check this out. I gotta quit doing that, y'all, 'cause I've been shooting too many guns without ear protection and riding four-wheelers too much without ear protection. My ears are gonna be ringing, I just know it, but I love it. All right, Danny, BMC lights in the rear, side-facing lights. We got rock lights back here, the chrome B&W, perfect. As I mentioned, we got the Putco blade that you picked out. Works great. Multifunction. It's powered. Look how sleek and low profile.
Man,
perfect. The big tip it had to be. Danny said real deal. We got to get that factory tip off of there. So we did an MBRP DPF back. Perfect size, I think. You were thinking 6-inch too. That's perfect. It. Matches the truck. Look at that. What a day. What's a day today? 38, 13.5, 22 RTs. Perfect. American Force tracks. Perfect. I mean, that's the perfect wheel. 22 by 10. -25, perfect. Not too far out, not too far in. It's gonna ride amazing. Almost a 5-inch lip. That's like, I think it's dialed in. Look at the mirrors, perfection. All the way around, driving down the road, you're seeing perfect. All right, Danny, on the inside, got your dash kit. I got it on red right now, but just a little bit of accent of the red throughout in the floorboard. and this color change. We'll show you how to operate that. That's just a little, tying in the outside color to the inside as far as whatever rock light color you want to do or whatever kind of interior color you want to rock with. Very nice. We'll go over.
See your new truck,
Yes, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Right at home. Right at home. Look at this. Yeah.
What thing, bud?
All right.
New truck.
Yeah.
That's right. Let's roll.
Yes. Side by side too. Look at this. Look at this. What a shot right here. What a shot. I had to break these out. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them or not, but I just had to, I purchased these for inspiration for the truck build. So we got the 3s with the cream, rare for the cream. What a cream. So Danny's buttoning her up. Here in a minute, we're gonna take it up, hook his trailer back up, load this bad boy, go get us a steak, and he's gonna roll out and got a truck show on Father's Day he's going to as well. I've been able to do this for such a great guy and how passionate he is about his own personal rig, and now having this one to complement it and trusting in us to do this, like I'm forever grateful and thankful. What a sight right here. Samson's in the cockpit, getting everything loaded up. Custom Kenworth, custom Akins Ford Everest Edition by Wild Willies. Looking amazing. This is the setup right here. Back here today doing some raptor hunting because the 24s are, oh my gosh, this is it, y'all. Danny Maddox, here we go, big dog. This one right here is so special to Jesse and I, and obviously Danny. This is going to be a next level build right here to match his custom rig. Oh my gosh, it has arrived. Danny, can you believe it? The time has come to go next level. Let's go. I'm talking fresh off the truck. Still wrapped up. Oh man, this is going to be a great one. Danny, you are going to love this. So much potential in this one. Going to be a tastefully done two-tone rendition like no other. Danny's truck got the Carly E-Venture rolling. James is tackling this build, rock lights and all. Johnny assisted in the rock lights initially, but it's really coming together now. E-Venture, bad boy. Oh my gosh, 38s is coming together so nicely. Got polished American Forces coming soon too. Train horn. Let's go. James has got you covered, big dog. Look at your wheels. American Force tracks, boy. Looking sharp.